today we're going to do a tech review on a GoPro charger. If you like GoPros and if you're a fan of them, the biggest problem what they have, the battery. The charge will stay for half an hour. That's what basically you get out of GoPro original battery. You need some spare batteries and a charger. The charging, another biggest problem. You have to basically flip that open. I don't have a battery in there now, and you have to connect that. When you think about it, it is a big bummer. This is a GoPro Hero 8 Black. When I bought it, the two spare batteries came with the GoPro. Basically, I was managing with. That is the beauty. So this is called TELESIN. So this comes with the two spare batteries and the charger. So I have opened the box already. So I'll basically show you the quality of the box. Now this is a proper quality box. It doesn't look cheap at all and doesn't feel cheap. That's what the box. Obviously they are made in China, but they are quite good quality. So let's put that by the side, and I'll show you the charger. So that is the charger. I mean, the feel is quite solid. It doesn't look cheap, doesn't feel cheap. It's got the brand name here. It's got some sort of silicon rubbery stuff around the case. That's where the port is. So obviously this is a USB-C 3. Now they say it's sort of dust proof, waterproof, but I wouldn't risk it putting it under the water. But obviously the rain and dust, it will protect, because it's got the silicon casing and it's got that rubbery thing to prevent water going in there, and it's got a handy hook there. So to open it, you just press the button here and it will just flip it open. So that's the charger. So this is a battery which came with the TELESIN charger. Feels exactly like GoPro batteries. They look alike as well, and this works for Hero 8, 7, 6 and 5. Now I'll show you side by side. These ones are the GoPro original batteries. Have a look. Yeah. And that is the TELESIN. I think the GoPro batteries are a bit more heavier than the TELESIN batteries. The TELESIN batteries has this blue plasticky wrapping something here, which the GoPro batteries doesn't have. I'm going to keep these three batteries here, so I'll show you them on action. You can put your memory card, you can store them here. Yeah, so it goes that way there. Obviously the battery slots in there. So it goes like that. Now the charging, three batteries, you can charge them all in a go, and basically it takes about 1.5 hours to charge three batteries. Now just for one battery, it will be completely fully charged in an hour time. Now I'll show you plug it in. So this USB-C 3 is on my Mac, so I'm just going to put it in. There you are. They are fully charged, that's why they're lighting green. If it's not I've charged it earlier. If it's not charged, and if it is in charging position, these will light red. So once it's fully charged, this will turn into green. So basically that's it. The TELESIN charger has another cool feature. It has a built-in memory card reader. So your memory card goes right in that slot there, and it clicks in, and you can connect to your computer. You can download the footage, so it's quite handy as well. There you are. That's today's review on a TELESIN battery charger. Now you can pick this up online from Amazon or eBay between 25 and 27 in the UK. If you find this helpful, please hit that like button for us. It helps the video. If you like these sort of reviews and stuff, hit subscribe, and it will definitely help me and the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.